Welcome back to mathsolver1117. In this video, we will solve most important topic of ACT Maths, that is trigonometry. We will solve some important practice questions that are asked in the exams and learn some basic trigonometric identities to solve these questions. So now we will start from the question number 1, that is from the basic. So question number 1 is, if this is a right angle triangle the value of the hypotenuse is given 5, this angle is theta, and the value of the opposite side is 4, you have to calculate the value of sine theta. So we will solve this as we know the sine theta is equal to the perpendicular over hypotenuse. So we will write perpendicular, that is 4, and hypotenuse equal to 5, and sine theta is equal to 0.8. In this way, we can also find the value of base by using Pythagoras theorem and then calculate the cos theta value and tan theta value. Now we will solve the next question. Now in the question number 2, again we have a right angle triangle, and if the adjacent side is 6 and the value of hypotenuse is 10, this angle is theta, find value of cos theta. So we will apply the formula of cos theta, which is equal to base over hypotenuse. So base is 6 and hypotenuse is 10, so this will equal to the 0.6. Now we will solve another important question. Now question number 3 is, if sine theta is equal to 5/13, find cos theta. And sine theta and cos theta lies in the first quadrant. So we will solve this as using the trigonometric identity, that is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now we have to find the value of cos square theta, which is equal to the 1 minus sine square theta. We solve this 1 minus 5/13 square, 1 minus 25/169, which is equal to 144/169. So we will take the square root of this. Cos theta is equal to square root of 144/169. 144 is the square of 12 and 169 is the square of 13. So value of cos theta will be equal to 12/13. Now we will solve the next question. So question number 4 is, if sine theta is equal to the 3/5 and cos theta is equal to 4/5, find tan theta. So we will find the tan theta value as, we know that tan theta is equal to the sine theta by cos theta, So sin theta is 3 by 5 and cos theta is 4 by 5. 5 and 5 are cancelled out and we have 3 by 4. So tan theta value is equal to the 3 by 4. Now we will solve another important question. Now we have sin theta is equal to 0.5 for theta is less than or equal to 0 or 0 degree is less than or equal to theta and theta is less than or equal to 360 degree. So we will solve this question as, first of all, theta is equal to sine inverse of 0.5 which is equal to 30 degree. So we have value of theta is 30 degree and this is a positive angle and sin theta is positive in the first and the second quadrant. So in first quadrant theta is equal to 30 degree, but if in second quadrant sin theta is also positive, so we will get theta equal to 180 minus 30 degree which will be equal to 150 degree. So we have two angles 30 degree and the 180 degree because of the condition of sin theta, because sin theta is positive in the first and in the second quadrant. Now we will solve an important question, question number 6, that is what is cos pi by 3. So we will get the answer as convert this in the degree. So we will multiply 180 by pi so this is equal to the cos 60 degree. So the value for cos 60 degree is equal to the 1 by 2. So in this way, if angle is given in pi, this is a radian angle. So we will convert this into the theta by multiplying 180 and divided by pi. Now the question number 7 is, what is amplitude of y is equal to 3 sin x? So we will find the amplitude of this will be, answer is equal to the 3, because in the start we will get the amplitude. Now the question number 8 is related to the period of function. So what is period of y is equal to sine 4 of x? So we will find the period by this formula, that is period is equal to the 2 pi divided by the coefficient of angle. So 2 pi divided by 4 which is equal to pi by 2. So period of this sin 4x is pi by 2. Just you have to divide the coefficient of angle by 2 pi. Now we will get the question number 9 is conversion of angles. Convert 150 degree to radians. So we will solve this as 150 degree multiplied by pi by 180. So we will get 3 5s are 15 and 3 6 are 18. So it will become 5 pi by 6. This will be the answer. Now after solving this, we will get last question. So this is an important result that will be asked in many questions. So you should remember this result, that simplify sin square theta plus cos square theta. You have to remember that sin square theta plus cos square theta always equal to 1. This is the trigonometric identity. If you found this video helpful, subscribe mathsolver1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve most important questions that are asked in the ACT Maths overall. Stay tuned.